arrived at Foxton Locks. I'm going to walk up to the top calf and see if we can get breakfast roll. Yeah, not a bad day. Well, we're at the top lock at Foxton. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, it's nice. It's a bit warmer in here. It's a pity the calf wasn't open. I'd come in here. You know, there used to be a little brewery in here. You sell beer. Yeah, it's a pity this calf's not open because they do nice breakfast rolls, but we're out of season, so it's a bit of a shame. And yeah, we get a good view across the fields. That's nice. Not bad view, is it? Green and pleasant land. I'm not going around the garden, Jane. Yeah. Just nice to be out, isn't it? There'll have to be Megbourne then, on the way back. It says open there, that's the bookshop, isn't it? Yeah, it says open, you can just walk in, yeah. But I'm not going to. You've got our shadow, look how tall we are. Going across there, it's too muddy. They keep it well, don't they? You've got to admit it.
It's pristine, isn't it?
Yeah, there's no rubbish and the water makes a funny noises, doesn't it? Almost got the place to ourselves. Yeah. Yeah, 2 boats. Church bell over there. I'm not sure. It's not Belton.
Southampton?
Yeah, something like that. But that's not Southampton, it's further over than that because of the tunnel. There's a little reservoir.
Oh yeah, reservoir.
Oh, the pub's in the sunshine. Yeah, there's water flowing, isn't there? Yeah. They're deep, aren't they, when you start looking? Gonna walk round the basin? I expect high tide, look. They've put those things in. Yeah. I bet they're warm, you know, because they're like a greenhouse, aren't they? So, yeah. Oh yeah? Yeah. See, they're advertising bacon rolls and stuff. I don't like that place very much, do you?
The soup £7. You said with the Rutland was there, it was the same price.
Is it?
Yeah.
What, there's 7 there?
Yeah.
I didn't look at the prices.
£6.75
For a soup?
and a roll.
God.
So Rutland water aren't that expensive.
No.
They are.
Well, the quality's,
Yeah.
yeah. I don't like the coffee from there. You know, it's not the best coffee, is it? Oh, it looks sad, doesn't it, the old boats now? I tell you what, it's clouding up a bit. I think we might have seen the best part. There's a few boats, Jane. Yeah.
Where's Foxton's got facilities?
Yes, yeah, well there's a toilet block and
shops and buses.
yeah, you get Tesco's delivery, can't you? That's the service boat one. Yeah. There's two things. I wouldn't want to be full time in a narrowboat, and I wouldn't want to be full time in a motorhome either. Watch your head. Look like space domes.
Don't get in with the traditional box size.
No, it looks a bit odd, doesn't it?
Yeah.
5 miles Leicester. What's it, 18 miles Braunston? Yeah, Braunston's 27.5. There's quite a few boats along here, some are high ones, aren't they?
Where are we going then?
Go back up the where the horses go. Just coming into the village now. The Black Horse pub. And look, they've got like a nativity scene out of wood. The church.
Good time to go to bed, right?
Hmm?
It's 11:40.
So it's a good time.
To go to Newport.
Why?
Before the rush hour. Have a rush hour, don't we, each time?
Have a rush most of the day. Can we get past? And what we having a coffee break? No. Also ask the guys, can we come past? Just chopping some trees down there. Damage from the wind. That's what we could hear when we come. There's a Master Bongo. So it's a Frida. Yeah. God, you don't see them very often, do you? Oh yeah? Oh, that was a shame. We could have watched them do that. Where's the boat? Must have gone that way. Oh yeah, it's just gone through. Oh, we just missed the swing bridge. Oh. Oh, some ducks, Jane. 2 ducks.
So you've seen 3 boats, haven't you?
3 boats, yeah. Yeah. Moving boats, yeah. 2 went up the locks. Down the locks. And then 1 was manoeuvring round, building a new house here. You can see it better from here. You can see the breeze block, or whatever it's made out of. It's not going to be in the style of the rest of the village by the look of it, is it? Oh dear, that one isn't. No. Welcome back to the van. I've got warm now.
I was getting cold.
Are you warmed up yet?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice trees. Oh yeah. Oh, looks a bit grey over there though. hole and do my other door.